never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love.
Welcome back, everyone. It's time to do some spring cleaning in our master bedroom. First things first, I'm going to clean up this hot mess of a room. As you can see, I filmed this before I painted the headboard and put in the new lamps. If you didn't see my last video where I did a bunch of DIY home updates, make sure you go watch that so you can see how I updated our bedroom and our living room spaces. But anyway, I'm going to finish tidying up this space, and then after I have stuff put away, I'm going to wipe down the surfaces. So I'll wipe down the dressers, I'm going to wipe down the fronts on the drawers, and I'm also going to wipe down the bottom where the legs are because it gets pretty dusty down there as well. And I can't forget to dust the TV. That gets really dusty on top and on the back, so don't forget to get back there and get all of that dust off.
A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you. There's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to.
As I previously stated, I filmed this video before my DIY home updates, so I am removing the headboard from this space now. So that gave me the opportunity to do an even deeper clean on our headboard.
Chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la.
Next, I'm deep cleaning our mattress. I'm going to vacuum it to get all of the dust and hair and small little pieces of debris off of it. And I'm going to sprinkle it with baking soda and vanilla essential oil to soak up any of the moisture in there. This also can help with stains, and then the vanilla essential oil makes it smell really good. I'm actually going to put this in Tilly's bed as well later in this video, and our room smelled so good. It helped eliminate any pet odor that we have. Tilly spends a lot of time in here, so if I ever smell pet odor, it's in here. So this was super helpful. It doesn't smell like vanilla anymore, but it has a neutral smell in here, so I highly recommend using the baking soda and essential oil to help freshen up a space.
La, 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 la. La, la, la.
While the baking soda is on the mattress, which you can leave on for 30 minutes or up to overnight, but you should definitely do at least 30 minutes. But while that's happening, I am taking the stuff out from under our bed because we use this as a storage space. I'm going to try to consolidate some stuff. I'm going to get rid of the totes under here, and I want to put the vacuum bags that we have with a bunch of my pillows under here just to free up some room in the closet that I have them stored in. So I'm vacuuming under here to get it clean, and then I'm going to go through everything I have under here, move stuff around. I figured I'd put my fall, Halloween, and Christmas pillows under here for easier access because those holidays are coming up and I don't want to have to dig for those pillows. And these are ones that I'm going to be switching out pretty quickly because it all happens back to back. So this is going to be their new home, at least for now. I'm going to try it out this year and see how it works. We had some backpacks and shoes and some decor stored in these totes under the bed. So I'm going to move them to our clothes closet and decor closet to free up the space under here and put the new stuff.
Lord, dust bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own. 'Cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. Time is up, nothing to do. You are gone, that makes me blue. But here he comes to take me to.
Don't forget to wipe your fans for your deep cleaning. I am guilty of forgetting to do this until I turn the fan off and I see all the dust on it. So this is your reminder to clean your fan blades, get all that dust off so it's not just blowing dust all around the room. I saw somewhere that there's these like pad things you can put on the fan blades to help keep the air clean, but I haven't looked into them yet. Now it's time to vacuum off the baking soda from the mattress, and it was kind of hard because it was getting stuck on the vacuum bristles, and then you could see all of the baking soda in the vacuum, so that was kind of cool. I feel like I didn't have the right vacuum attachment for this process, but I made do with what I had and I got the job done.
Makes me blue, but here he comes to take me to.
I'm now putting fresh clean sheets on the newly cleaned mattress, so we have a nice clean bed to climb into tonight, and then we'll move on to the last few things for this deep cleaning.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.
I'm taking care of Tilly's bed next. I'm going to strip the cover off of it so I can wash it, and I put it in hot water. I use the Clorox color like stain remover and odor remover, and then I use fabric softener so it's nice and soft and clean and smells good for her. I'm gonna do the baking soda and vanilla essential oil on her bed so it can eliminate the pet odor, and her bed smelled so good. It didn't seem to bother her. She slept on it just fine. I researched it beforehand and made sure vanilla was okay for dogs, and it was, so it was a win-win all around for us and Tilly. While Tilly's bed is being deodorized and cleaned, I'm going to go ahead and put baking soda on the carpet. I didn't put essential oil here. I didn't want to go too overboard and have our rooms too vanilla smelling. So I just did the baking soda and I let that sit, but I'm just showing you vacuuming it up now. But I let it sit for at least 30 minutes. It was probably longer. If you have carpet and you can't afford to replace it right now, or you live in a rental and you don't have a choice in the matter, definitely put baking soda on your carpet. I feel like it brightened our carpet so much and it smelled really good afterwards, but it just looked so much better after I did this.
I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh,
Another thing that's easy to forget about if you have furniture blocking it is cleaning the windows. So I'm going to clean the windows, I'm going to clean the window pane, and it's going to still look dirty because the outside has the screen and that is covered by trees. We live in an apartment, so the outside area is not really my domain and maintenance takes care of all that stuff. So I am cleaning the inside and the windowsill, and I'm sorry that it still looks dirty, but I promise it is nice and clean now. But I definitely neglect this space too often, and I'm gonna try to do like a monthly cleaning routine so I can do a little bit of a deeper clean than I normally do. I'm also cleaning the door. This is important. Your doors get so dirty, which I learned while doing this video, and I would definitely recommend getting one of these and cleaning your door, because wait until you see how dirty it was.
Take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you.
The last thing I need to do is put Tilly's bed cover back on and add her blankets. I put 2 blankets just for extra coziness for her, and then a pillow. And that's it for my video today. Let me know if there's anything else that you do for your deep cleaning in your bedroom, and I'll add it to my list. I hope you enjoyed this spring bedroom deep cleaning. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel and you're enjoying my videos, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, to help my channel and help it get out there in the algorithm. It really does help. I also have made a Facebook page for my YouTube channel, so if you're on Facebook, make sure you follow me there, and on Instagram and TikTok, so you get all of the behind the scenes and all of the extras besides YouTube. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in the next one.